Okay, I feel I don't know whether, but none of them are here. Okay, listen. The thing is this. Okay, the thing is this. Atom. Okay, atom is okay. If we consider this hydrogen, okay, this is an atom. But if we consider two hydrogen atoms together, that is called a molecule. This is a molecule. Okay, you know, I think you are watching cricket matches now. Then, if we think about a player and a team, what is the difference? What is the difference? A team and a player. Okay, you know, you can say the team is made by several players. In cricket, it's almost there are 11 members. That's how molecules are. Molecules are made by at least two atoms. One atom cannot be a molecule. If there's two atoms have connected with each other, bonding with each other, we cannot say that is an atom. That is a molecule. That's a molecule. Got it what I said? Okay. If we think about two atoms, if we think about three atoms together, then that is called a molecule. That is called a molecule, not an atom. Not an atom. Okay. Before, get that idea into your mind. Okay. First of all. Okay. Atom is a small particle of an Vishal stone and element, and molecule is a two or more atoms combined. Okay, that's cool. Can you repeat in Sinhala also? Vishmita. Okay. This Sinhala තේරුම වෙන්නේ atom එකක් කියන්නේ එකක් නම් molecule එකක් කියලා කියන්නේ atoms කිහිපයකට. හරිද? Molecule එකක් කියන්නේ atoms කිහිපයක්, atom එකක් කියන්නේ එකක්. හරිද? Atom පරමාණුව, molecule අණුව. Okay? I think got it, Vishmita. Okay? Did you get that? Okay? Molecule එකක් හැදෙන්නේ atoms කිහිපයක් එකිනෙකට join වෙන. Okay. Then what is the man? Okay, here in this lesson we have to face several new terms. That is the main reason. That is the main reason for you that you cannot understand this lesson. That's the main reason, because you face atomic mass, molecular mass, mole, Avogadro constant, okay, molar mass. Okay, there are several new concepts you are going to face. Okay, actually, am I correct? Tell me, am I correct? I think I'm correct. Okay, that's one of major point for the difficulties you have to face in this lesson. එක තමයි ඔයා මේ lesson එකේ face කරන එක difficulty එක. නේද? ඇයි? New terms. Okay, then first of all, I'm going to explain you about these atomic mass and molecular mass. Very simple. If we think about an atom, okay, its mass is called atomic mass. It is called atomic mass. Okay. For example, if you think about helium atom, it is one atom. It's one atom. That is called what? That is called atomic mass. Then if we think about a molecule. What do you think about molecule? Okay. Let's think about molecule of hydrogen. H2. Okay. H2. Can anyone tell me how many hydrogen atoms in the molecule? Hydrogen molecule. Can anyone say? Very good, Mishala. Very good. I got the answer from Mishala. Tanisha also. Oh, Tanisha. Yeah, your answer is correct. Rashini also correct. Very good. Is there anyone else? Can anyone tell me how many atoms are in a hydrogen molecule? You can see the number. Just count 1 and 2. Okay? Yes. Very good. I'm very proud of you all. Okay? You all are correct. This is 2. How you can determine? You can see the number 2. then two hydrogen atoms are there. Two hydrogen atoms are there. Okay, now get the idea. Clear, clean and clear. Always get the idea, clean and clear. Okay, don't concentrate to other things. May velave make a ganama concentrate karan. Okay, don't concentrate to your relatives, your neighbors, your family members, and your brothers, siblings. No, never. In science, that will not work. Okay, you have to concentrate to the session I am conducting during the entire 3 hours. Okay, okay, let's do that. Let's do. That's not difficult. Okay, then this is H2. That's a molecule made by two hydrogen atoms. Can anyone tell me how many? Okay. Does anyone know what is this molecule? Does anyone know? You should know. You should know. Does anyone? No. I still couldn't get the answer. But as you are grade 10 student, you should know all three. No. Still I couldn't. Actually, this is not oxygen. No. Still I couldn't get the answer. No. These are the simple name of this is what? That is O3 means not oxygen, Kuta. That is ozone. You have heard this word since you are in grade 6. I think before grade 6 also. No? Okay, but however, this is ozone. This is ozone. Okay, ozone, good. Ozone. This is not oxygen molecule. This is ozone molecule. Can anyone tell me how many atoms, how many oxygen atoms are in one ozone molecule? How many oxygen atoms in one ozone molecule? Can anyone tell me? Yes, very good. Very good. I got the answers from Sohani. Very good. Rashini, no? Okay, Senator. Very good. What about others? No answers? Okay. It's okay. Okay, now you got the idea about atomic mass, and this is called molecular mass. Molecular mass. Okay, these are not very difficult. Okay, the mass of atom is called atomic mass. The mass of a molecule is called molecular mass. Molecular mass. Did you got the idea? Raise your hand if you have got the complete idea. What just I have given. I hope more raised hands than this. Okay. What are others? I'm very happy about Satine, Senator, Ashiniam, Sohani, Mishara, Ashwagya, Tamisha, Moksha, and Mushfika. And very good, Chetin, Vishmita. If you can use your both names, then I can get a clear thing. Okay, Sasit and Malindu. Very good. I'm very happy about you. Okay, but there are a few students, Yasasmi and Shakia and Metsara, Krishon, Teresa. Okay, I would like to get your response also. Hasidu. Okay, Yasidu. Okay. Vishmita. Okay, very good. Hi. Okay. Then now you know about atomic and molecular mass. But keep this in your mind. These all the values are very smaller. Very small. Okay. These all the values are very smaller than we accept. Okay. Then we think about. We are always dealing about grams, kilograms, sometimes tons. No. But in these, if you think of these values, these are very smaller than nanograms also. Then I think you can imagine. These values are very smaller. Okay, let's come to the tube. Okay, if you have the tube with you, you can complete it yourself. Okay, you can complete it yourself. But if you unfortunately, if you don't have the tube with you, but don't skip the writing, get some blank paper and write the things I'm going to teach you. And once you got the tube, you can complete the tube. Okay, that's how it's gonna be. I'm sure if you can do that, then none of the point will be missed. Okay. Okay. Then here the definitions I have given you, that has been given. I am not going to repeat it. If you have the tune, please, my dear student, highlight this. It's very important. If you have the tune, please highlight that. Okay, highlight that. Okay. Then I have given the values. Can you imagine? Okay, 1 point. You can say 0.00000. How many zeros are there? Okay, 1.674 multiplied by what? 10 to the power, tell me, 10 to the power minus 24. Can you imagine? Minus 24. Is it same? Minus 10 to the power minus 24 and 10 to the power 24? Is it same? Are both values are same? Yes or no? What do you think? 10 to the power minus 24 and 10 to the power 24? No, never, never. Okay. When you consider about 10 to the power 2, it is what? 100. 10 to the power 2, 100. 2 zeros are there, 100. But when you think about 10 to the power minus 2, that's what? 1 over 100. That is 0.01. That's very small value. Tell me that our minus value එකක් එනවා නම් minus value එකක් එනවා නම් ඒක ලොකු නැහැ. පොඩි, it's very small. Okay, get that idea. Okay, minus 24 plus 24 කියන්නේ දෙකක්. Minus කියන්නේ තාම පොඩි වෙනවා. Okay, okay, you got the idea. Then let's come to the tune. You can see I have given the values here. Okay, I'm not going to explain. I think you can get the idea. You can get the idea. It's very smaller. 1.674. It's very small value. Okay, then you think. Okay, 10 to the power minus 23. 10 to the power what? 10 to the power minus 23. Okay, 10 to the power minus 23 minus 24. Okay, you can get the idea. Then let's come to the molecular mass. Okay, hurry up. Okay, then I have given these explanation also. The true mass of a molecule is called molecular mass. Molecular mass, like this, like this. Okay, like this. Okay, now I'm going to do what I always do. Okay, now I'm going to do what I always do. Please raise your hand if anyone couldn't get the idea. What I just told you. Raise your hand if there is a raise your hand if you got the idea what I taught you now. What I have taught you now. Okay, then I will repeat that. No matter. If there's anyone who couldn't get the idea, who cannot get the idea, then raise your hand. I will repeat. Not the fellows, just got the idea. Okay, who couldn't got the idea? Is there anyone? Sasit is there. Is there anyone else? Then else Sasit? Okay, Chetin also there. Okay, there are two. Okay. I will go briefly. Okay, I will go briefly introduction regarding the matters I have discussed. Please answer my questions. Okay, I will repeat, but you always try to concentrate the things. Then it will be not much difficult. Okay. The things I have told you, not a big thing. Okay, that is the true mass of an atom is called atomic mass. The true mass of a molecule is called molecular mass. That is the summary. Did you all get the idea? That's the summary. But here, listen. These are the true values. These are the true values. What do you mean by true values? True values means if you think about this pen. What do you think about? How many grams are there? How much? Let's think 50 grams. Okay, then we can see the actual mass of this pen is 50 grams or 100 grams. Okay, that is the true mass. true mass. Atom mass come there. Okay, that is called what? True mass. Then likewise, the true mass of an atom is called atomic mass. The true mass of a molecule is called molecular mass. I think you all are familiar with that. Got it? Okay, let's come to the next. Okay, let's come to the next. Then the mass of a carbon atom is, okay, this you can see, and the mass of 4 hydrogen atoms, yes, okay. The molecular mass of methane. Oh my god. Okay, okay, not a much thing. I will explain you. Okay, look at the board. Look at the board. Okay, do you know the formula of methane? Can anyone send me? Does anyone know the formula of the methane? Methane, you can call methane also. Okay, no matter, both words are used. Okay, methane or methane, whatever it will be. Okay, does anyone know? No. Only I know. Okay, I know who knows Tamam. Okay, CH4, that is CH4. CH4. Okay, CH4. Very good. That is CH4. Moksha or moksha. Send me the answer. CH4. Okay. Now, carefully, listen carefully what I'm going to tell you. This is a CH4 molecule or atom. Now tell me, basic knowledge because you don't have the basic knowledge. That's why these are very difficult for you. Not a much thing. Make a look there anyway. And then, okay, let's start. Now tell me, is this an atom or molecule? Hurry up. You are younger fellows now. Like old ones. Okay? Is it an atom or molecule? Very good. I hope that answer. Molecule. One. Why is that? You can tell me. You can tell her or him. There is a CH4. One C, and 4 hydrogen. This should be a molecule. This is a team, not a player. Okay. Okay. Now tell me, CH4. We have to think about the composition of this molecule. We have to think about the composition. Composition means what? Composition means what? Composition means how these molecules are composed. How these molecules are composed. Okay, think. How many carbon atoms are there? How many carbon atoms are there? You can see, I have not written here one. This is, you can see, you can actually, in real formula, you cannot see a number here. That's how we write. You cannot see a number. Then if there is any number, is that mean 0 or 1? Tell me. Is that mean 0 or 1? What do you think? 1. 1 is the normal thing. Okay. In chemistry, we are not going to show the 1. Oh, I have 1. Okay, look at me. Okay. We are not going to show our 1. Okay, if we have 1 thing. But if we have 2, it's very different. Then we are just going to show you here. I have 2. Like that. Okay. Then this is 1. No. We haven't written here 1. That means already there is a 1, but we are not going to show. If there is more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then we have to mention it here. These are the basic things you have already learned in your 3rd lesson, chemistry 3rd lesson. Now we are going to discuss about 7th lesson now, but those are things from 3rd lesson. Okay, but however, these are very important for this lesson also. That's why I'm going to teach you. Okay, then now tell me how many carbon atoms are there in a CH4 molecule? How many carbon atoms are there? Tell me. 1 carbon atom. Okay, 1 carbon atom is there in a CH4 molecule. 1 carbon atom is there. Now tell me how many hydrogen atoms are there? There are 4 hydrogen atoms. There are 4 hydrogen atoms. 4 hydrogen atoms. This is how this CH4 molecule has formed. This is the composition of CH4 molecule. Got it? Got the idea? Is there anyone difficult? Raise your hand. Is there anyone who couldn't get this idea? Raise your hand. Good. I think you all got it. I'm very sure. Okay. Please cooperate with me. Then I can go forward easily and without any hesitation. Okay. But how we are? Okay. Then this is how the composition. Now tell me. If you have a question, if you got a question to find a molecular mass. Molecular mass. We are going to find the molecular mass. Then you know, this molecule is made by 1 carbon atom and 4 hydrogen atoms. That's how it's made. Then, if you know already the mass of carbon atom, the mass of 1 hydrogen atom, I will repeat that. Listen carefully. Now you are supposed to find the mass of 1 molecule of methane. You are going to find the mass of 1 CH4 molecule. Okay. Then what you are given? You have given mass of 1 carbon atom, mass of 1 carbon atom, and the mass of 1 hydrogen atom. 1 hydrogen atom. Sinhalin kiwwot CH4 molecule එකේ mass එක හොයන්න කිව්වා. Carbon එකක carbon atom එකේ mass එකයි H atom එකක mass එකයි දීලා. Can you find that? The answers will you? Can you find that by doing a simple mathematic things? What do you think? Can you find that? Or you cannot find that? Of course, very good. You can find that, of course. Why is that? For example, I have given you this. Okay, let's come to some example. Okay, then let's think like this. Okay, you have. Okay, I have not. Okay. 1 second. Okay. Now you have a bunch of marker pens. Okay. This bunch has made by, you can see how many blue marker pens and one red marker pen is there. You can see. Can you see? You can see. Okay. 3 blue marker pens. Sorry, it should be 4 now. Okay. 4 blue marker pens and 4 blue marker pens and 1 red marker pen is there. Can you see? Okay. Just think, if I give you the mass of 1 blue marker pen and the mass of this red pen, 1 red pen, can't you find the total mass of this bunch? It's very simple thing now. Can't you find? Tell me. Use your chat box. Yes, you can find. You can find. It's very easy. Very easy. Yes, you have to multiply the mass of blue pen with what? In 3. Sorry, 4. Because you know the mass of hydrogen, you can multiply it by 4. Then carbon is atom, you know, then there is only 1. Then no need to multiply. Okay, that's how we are going to take the mass. Terunada, got the idea. Terunada. Atul-san, raise your hand if you couldn't get the thing. What I'm going to tell you. I'm just briefly explain you how you can get the molecular mass, the true mass of the molecule, if you have given the if you have got these values, mass of an atom. Okay. Okay. You got the idea? Very good. Raise your hand if you got the idea. Hurry up. Let's hurry up. Okay. Yeah. Lot of things to do. Okay. Okay. Here, listen. I'm going to discuss about the simplest question and the hardest question. From the simplest question to the more harder question you can get. Okay. Then in this video you can see the questions in last failures. Okay. Then I will discuss those things. Okay. Hamotam puluwan wevi hondata balaගෙන ඉන්න. Okay. Then okay, find this. If the mass of carbon atom is 1.993. Okay. If the mass of 4 hydrogen atom 1.674 multiplied by what? 10 to the power minus 24 and 4. Again we have to multiply by 4. Why is that? Due to why? Due to 4 8 atoms. මොකද මෙතන atoms හතරක් ඉන්නවා. There are 4 hydrogen atoms. In CH4 there are 4 hydrogen atoms. That's why we have to multiply this hydrogen mass by 4. Okay. Okay. Then molecular mass of methane is this. If you have any doubt, you can do some small simplification and get this idea. Get this value. I think you can get the value. If you have any problem with the mathematical problems, if you have faced some mathematical problems, I mean, if you don't know how to solve this 10 to the power questions or this forces questions, it's okay. Then please ask from your math teacher. But I would like to teach you. But the thing is, in this lesson, I'm going to cover this lesson in 2 weeks. Okay, that's why I'm not having much time to explain you how we can do the simplification of this 10 to the power. But in some questions I will explain as much as I can, because the only problem is I have not much time. Okay, but however, let's go. Then if you can simplify these values, you will get the value of 2.343 multiplied by 10 to the power what? Minus 23. Okay. Here it is. I have told you. Then now we have come to a good point. Atomic mass unit. Okay, it's a very strange term. Atomic mass unit. Atomic mass unit. What does that mean by atomic mass unit? Okay, listen. If you don't listen carefully, okay, you will never ever understand this concept. Therefore, please try to concentrate. Okay, it's a new concept. What? Atomic mass unit. Atomic mass unit. What do you mean by atomic mass unit? Okay. Now you already know what is atomic mass. Okay, now you already know what is atomic mass. No, you already know. Then, what is this atomic mass unit? Okay, I will discuss this same thing in 2 aspects. Okay, I will discuss this same term. What is term? Atomic mass unit. Simply we can say AMU. Not like that. AMU, that is mean what? Atomic mass unit. AMU. Simply we can say AMU, not AMW. Huh? That's your car model. Could be your car model. Yeah, I got some message from the unit that we use to express the atomic mass. Yeah, that could That's one kind of good answer. But okay, listen to me carefully. Now I am going to, my dear sons and daughters, I'm going to give you the explanation about this AMU in two aspects. Make a okay? What is that? Simply we can say like this. Now think, you are going to measure the mass of your family members. Okay, it's a very good example. Okay, now you are going to prefer. Okay, there's another one. Okay, you are going to measure your all family members mass. Okay, your family members mass. Now, okay, now let's see your dada. Okay, what is his weight? Let's think for a moment. It should be 80 kg. Your mama, what it should be? Over 100 or what do you think? Huh? Any suggestions? Okay, let's think for 100. Not much. Right? No. Okay. Mama, okay, whatever. Okay, let's for the moment, let's think your dad is 80 kg and your mama is 100 kg. And you have elder brother or sister. Let's think you have elder brother is 60 kg. Okay. Now let's think in your childhood. Okay, you have the weight 20 kg. One 20 is a random kg 50 panel, 60 panel. Okay, whatever. Let's think like this. Okay, for a moment. If you all agree with me, no, I will not. We will not agree. No. Okay, for a moment. Okay, now you can see the board. Okay, your mass is 20 kilogram and your brother is 60 kilogram. Your mama is 100 kilogram. Your dada is 80 kilogram. Father. Then, can I ask you some small question like this? Okay, can you tell me what is your brother's mass? Okay, what is your brother's mass compared to the mass of your mass? What is your brother's mass compared to your mass? Now you are confused with something. You can say that is 60. I'm asking like a question like this. Your brother is higher than how many times? How many times does your brother is higher than you? Now give me the answer. How many times does your brother is higher than you? How many times does he higher than you? Healthy. Now give me the answer. How many times? You cannot ignore this times word. That's very important. I am not going to ask you a brother's mass. I know it already. It's 60. It is 60. But I am going to ask, can you give me the value of how many times your brother's mass is higher than your mass? Yes, I got the answers. Very good. Very good. Okay. A kiyanne 60, 20 wage. How many times? How you can get that answer? Just divide 60 from 20. Just divide 60 from 20. Then you will get the answer what? Get the answer what? 3. Common 3 give got here. To sana 3 give got here. Raise a hand if you be honest now. Raise a hand. 3. Yes, my answer was 3. Oh, very good. Nice to meet you all. Very good. Yes, Then I will come to the point again. I will come. No. We will go to another example also. Okay. Then here, what? Now tell me what is the? Can anyone ask? Okay. Can your brother can come to your home and ask? Hey, bro, what is this tree? Okay. Some brother or sister, whatever. Okay, whoever, and came to your home and asking, hey brother, what is this tree? Hey sister, what is this tree? Now what you are going to tell her? This is my brother's mass. Is that okay? Is that correct? Is this your brother's mass? Oh, does anyone can ask from you, no? Hey, oh, let's think. Abhi to aage nama Amal. Okay, and friend has come and asked from you, Amal, Machan, Amal bro, what is this value 3? What is this value 3? You cannot say, if you are Amal, you cannot say, this is my brother's mass. No. This is the value, how many times your brother's mass is higher than yours. ඔයාගේ අයියාගේ mass එක ඔයාගේ වගේ කී ගුණයක්ද? How many times? කී ගුණයක්ද කියන එක. කී ගුණයක්ද? How many times is higher than you? Okay, compared to you. That is the answer here. That is the explanation. Now tell me, if we compare now, okay, get your fingers to the keyboard. Okay. Now send me the answer. Okay, I will give some breakup with the chat box. Okay. Now weight එක 100 නම් mass එක 10යිද? Yes, always, but on the earth, not beyond earth. අපි ඔයසාර පදා කරමු. ඒ කියන්නේ weight එක 100 වෙන්නේ mass එක 10 වුණොත් 10 kg වුණොත් weight එක 100 newton වෙනවා විශ්මිතා. For your question, others don't think about that. What I'm saying, it's for the only for the Vishmita. Okay, it's 100 Newton Vishmita for the 10 kilogram, but only on Earth, not beyond the Earth. Okay, Vishmita, sorry, Vishmita. Okay, now let's come to the point. Here, I'm going to ask you a new question. Get your fingers to the keyboard. Okay, never send me the answer before the question. Okay, my question is, what is your dada's mass? Okay, how many times is higher than you? How many times your dada's mass is higher than you? How many times your dada's father's mass is higher than you? Okay, very good. I'm very proud of you. Okay, I got the idea. Got the answer. First of all, the winner is Vishmita. Good. And second, Moksha, third, Swani, fourth, Senucha, Mushfika, Nishala, Ashala, Vishmita, Sasit also correct, Nishala, Neil Malindu, Hime, Setini, Tanisha, Rashini, and Yasiru. Am I correct? Yes. Shamas. Very good. You all are good. Very good. That is the answer. Then your dada's mass is higher than 4 times higher than you. Now tell me, when compared to your mama's value, what is that value? When compared to your mama's mass, mother's mass, okay, how many times higher than you? Very good. 5 times. Okay, and I'm very happy. Okay, 5 times. Okay, now this is the real time example. Now let's come to our subject. Okay, subject. If you can understand this, AMU is very simple thing. Okay, I will explain. Listen. Now, when comparing this dadas, mamas, brothers, and any masses, I took some standard mass. And I measured how many times is higher than the standard value I got. Okay, I will repeat. Listen carefully. when I'm going to find this how many times value, okay, I took some standard mass. And I always measured the Dada's value. I always measured the mama's and the brother's mass compared to that value. That's why I got 3 times, 4 times, 5 times higher. What is that standard value? Here, just now I have got that value. Not a standard, but I got that same value for everything, every simplification. What is that same value? When you are doing this simplification, I got some, I got same value for every calculation. What is that? Yes, 20 kg. That means Amal's weight. Amal's, sorry, mass. Amal's mass. Your mass. Your mass. May hammer mass එකම measure කරද්දී අපි divide කරේ 20 වලින් නේ. We divide from 20 when you are finding all the values. Okay, then this 20 is our standard unit. It can be considered as a standard unit. It can be considered. Not only your family members, you can measure your all the class members, all your school members, all your relatives, okay, all your members, okay, everyone, you know, okay, you can measure everyone, okay, you can measure everyone by considering this 20 as a unit, 20 as a standard unit. Then තේරුණා මම කියන එක. හරිද? 20 kg වලට සාපේක්ෂව අනිත් ඒවා measure කරන්න පුළුවන්. We can measure other masses according to the, okay, relative to 20 kg. 20 kg. Okay? Likewise, okay, we are going to measure all the atoms of every element. Okay, all the atoms, the mass of atoms of element, okay, relative to, compared to one standard value. Okay, මෙයාලගේ masses manna, we measure these values compared to 20 kg. Likewise, we can measure the mass of all the atoms in the world, the mass of all the kind of atoms in the world, okay, by using a standard mass value like this 20 kg. Not 20 kg, but we can use another value. That is called AMU, atomic mass unit. The unit what we take to measure the mass of atoms. Okay, that is called atomic mass unit. තේරුණාද? Got the idea or not? Send your suggestion. What do you think? Got or not? Did you get the idea? Yes or no? Did you get the idea? What I'm trying to explain you. Yes. This explanation was amazing, sir. Okay, now then you can get the, I think, what I'm going to. Okay. Sir, I would like to join your class. Okay. If you need to get the details about the class, okay, you can join the group also, and I will send my WhatsApp office WhatsApp number also. Then you can join. You can gather the details also if you need. Okay. Then once you finish the class, tomorrow, next week also you have to complete other part, last part. Okay. Then I think you got the idea. Now that is called what? That is called AMU. AMU කියන්නේ මේ වගේ අපි atoms වල unit mass එක measure කරද්දී ගන්න value එක. Okay? That is one aspect. එක පැත්තකින් බලද්දී වගේ. That is one aspect. We can say AMU is that what we take to measure the mass of the atoms of element. Okay. In other aspect, then what you can do now, you can say, sir, we took 20 kg as the standard unit. We took 20 kg as the standard unit. But in chemistry, what we take to measure other mass of atoms, other atoms mass, what we take, what can we take as the standard unit? For that question, scientists made a decision. Scientists have made a decision. They introduced some value. Okay, it's very interesting. They made some standard value, okay, and introduced them to the society and tell, okay, hereafter you can take this value as the AMU, atomic mass unit. Hereafter take this as AMU. First of all, they took the mass of hydrogen atom. Hydrogen atom එක mass එකක් අරගෙන ඒකට අනුව අනිත් ඒවා මිශ්‍ර කරන්න කියලා කිව්වා. Hydrogen atom එක mass එකක් අරගෙන. But later they introduced another value. For the AMU. Okay. Let's discuss those things. Theory or division class also doesn't matter. Yes. So are you conducting paper class? Of course. Okay. Of course, I'm conducting a paper class, and next month onwards, you can join to the not only theory class but also paper class. If you are willing to join only for the paper class, doesn't matter. Okay. If you are 21 O-level student or 22 O-level student, it means if you are grade 10 or grade 11, I'm going to discuss about the things in paper class also. You can come to the paper class and all the things you can gather. I think in the last page of your tube, okay, you can see the details I have given, and you all can come to the paper class also. I think you got the answer, Moksha, no? Okay. If you have a question, you can ask whatever. Okay, it's okay. That doesn't matter. But in normal class, I let you switch on your cameras, mics, and okay. But for now, please excuse me. Okay. Okay. Then let's come to the tute. Then here, relative to which the mass of atom is, okay, not this, I have explained then I told you that scientists made the decision about AMU. Scientists told, okay, they told this. Listen. Scientists told, okay, take the mass of carbon atom. Listen carefully. Take the mass of carbon atom. What is this? Carbon atom. Carbon. You know carbon, no? Okay. Carbon atom. And divide it from 12. But if they say, if you can get the mass of carbon atom and divide from 12, then you can get some value. Then take this value as the AMU. AMU, it means unit, as a unit. Okay. Then in our previous example, we use 20 kilogram. That's your weight mass as the standard unit. But in science, chemistry, okay, when we do calculations, we can take this value as the standard unit. Got the idea? Tell me, did you get the idea? Yes or no? Can you use the chat box? Yes or no? Did you get the idea? Then this is called AMU. Okay, this is called AMU, atomic mass unit. Raise your hand if you got the idea. Okay. What about this Yasasmi, Pratibha, Minuti, Shakia, Teresha, Jayatri, Himesh? What about those fellows? I would like to get responses from them too. If you can, please let me. Okay. Okay, then if you have the highlight pen with you, please highlight this matter. It's very important. It's very important. Okay. 1/12. 1/12. Okay. Of the amount of atomic mass of carbon 612. What is this 612? What is 612? I'm not going to discuss about these things in this lesson. Okay. You have learned these things in your third lesson. Okay. 612 means what? Those are called 612 and carbon 613. Those are called what? Does anyone remember the name? 613, 612. Those are called what? Carbons. What? Carbons. Oh my God. Don't remember that word? Those are called. And hydrogen also have that. Hydrogens also have what? 1, 1, 1, 2, and 1, 3. Yes, very good, Rashini. First of all, I got to ask for Rashini and Moksha and Setini also. Very good. Those are called isotopes. Isotopes. Okay. Here I'm not going to talk about isotopes. Okay. If you don't know that, just forget it for a moment. Okay. Then this is the, okay, if you can take the value of this, that is equal to AMU. Okay, that is equal to AMU. And this is the value. This is the value scientists got. But 1.67, 1.67, 10 to the power, what? 10 to the power of -24. This is -24. Look at this, not 24, -24. It means very small value, very small value. Okay, very small value. Accordingly, the value of atomic mass unit is what then? Now tell me, what is the atomic mass unit? 1.67. Okay, multiply by 10 to the power -24. Okay, write that. Write down. If you need any clarification, okay, you can ask from me. If you can use chat window. Otherwise, if you can switch on your camera, I will let you switch on your mic also. It's no matter if you need to ask some question. Okay, if you can switch on your camera, then I can let you to switch on your mic also. Doesn't matter. Okay, but if you cannot, there's no problem. Okay. Then let's come to relative atomic mass. What is this relative atomic mass? Actually, from now onwards, from this point onwards, you are going to deeper in this lesson. It means now we have come to difficult, not much difficult, but we have come to good point. Okay, relative atomic mass. Okay, put your hands down, lower your hands. Okay, Yasiru and Chetin, am I correct? Chetin and Yasiru. Okay, now I'm going to ask you this thing. Okay, I'm going to ask you, what is this relative atomic mass? Another thing, I have mentioned it in your last 2-3 pages in your tutor also. Majority of students are not having sufficient knowledge during these 2 years, grade 10 and 11. They always trying to solve the questions like when m and a given, you can easily find f no, f equal to ma, Newton's law, you know. Then m එකයි a එකයි දුන්නාම ඒක multiply කරලා f කියන එක හොයන එක නෙවෙයි පුතේ science. That is not the true science. Okay? If you are willing to get a, I'm always practice my student to get a, however, whatever they should take a. If the paper is easy, then A. If the paper is very difficult, then B. Otherwise C. Not like that. Not like that. Okay. I will every time I will try to make them perfect. In the paper class also I'm doing that. Okay. Paper class also I have theory class, I have paper class. Then both of them are what? Both of them are going to encourage them to raise their level. Okay, එයාලගේ level එක වැඩි වෙනවා අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම. ඒක නිසා මතක තියාගන්න පුතේ ඔයාලගේ target එක තියෙන්නේ ඒකක් නම් if your target is to get A, never waste your time solving simple questions, only simple questions. On now still you have in grade 10 and 11 also, still you have the time. You can go for A, you can go for special grade 10, definitely you can go for A. Okay, in all level. Therefore, don't try to waste your time during simple questions, simple simplification, and some of students are very keen to cover the syllabus rapidly. Okay? Oh, now they are my syllabus is covered. Useless. Why? Syllabus can be covered during 35 lessons can be covered in 35 weeks. Not okay, but useless. It's useless. Okay. That will not make you perfect for the A results. You have to practice. You have to solve from simplest question to the hardest question. That's my theory. You can see at the bottom of the tube. You can see. Okay. Then these last 3 pages. You can see I have made. There's a special program from my class student also. I am conducting signal medium and English medium both classes. Okay. I'm conducting English medium and signal medium both classes. Okay. Then in my classes, I have a special program. Okay. In my tube, I have divided by all the questions into 3 parts. I think none of other teachers have that method. Okay. But I have done that to make you feel that these questions are several types. The questions can be get the answer easily. Those are called I call them foundation level questions. Those are very easy. Majority of Sri Lankan students are stopped that point. Never go beyond that. They have never faced difficult questions before the exam. Then they don't have any practice. Then once they meet a creative question in O level, especially in physics, chemistry, they will give up the paper. They will give up the paper. Then their mothers called අපේ ළමයා හොඳට හිටිය බලන්නකො එකපාරට එක්සෑම් එකේ මොනවා වුණාද දන්නේ නැහැ. ෂොක් වෙනවනේ මොන ෂොක්ද? ෂොක් නෙවෙයි. that's shock. Okay. Then mothers are called, what happened to my I don't know what happened to our sister, our son. She was very good, but unfortunately she got B marks. No, that is not the thing happened. Okay, that's not the thing. They have not gained sufficient practice. When solving questions, you have to get full confidence. To get that confidence, you have to practice more and more questions. Not to do the syllabus rapidly and do some 1, 2, 3 questions and I am very good. Never you can get average 70, 30, 80 marks, but unfortunately, if there are standard questions, always there will be standard questions. Always there will be standard questions, but once you face that, you can skip. At least you have to face those questions. You can skip all the standard questions and get A mark. Never. You cannot do that. You have to face those questions. Okay. But if you are not having sufficient experience, you cannot do that without. Okay, then that's why I invite you all to come to at least paper class or both classes very much better. But if you cannot, at least with paper class, you can join that paper class also on the Sunday night. On Sunday night, okay? Then you can get the timetable from the tutor also. Okay, let's come to the point. Let's come to the point here. Listen. Then that is AMU. That is AMU. Then okay. Then we can measure. We can measure other elements, atoms mass relative to this AMU. Okay, relative to this AMU, we can measure other element atoms mass. Okay, we can measure. Then we call them relative atomic mass. Relative atomic mass. Relative atomic mass. Then okay, I will explain. If you don't get the idea, I will explain. If there's anyone who doesn't know at least any Sinhala word, tell me. Raise your hand. Sometimes there might be no. Raise your hand if you don't know any Sinhala word. Sometimes there might be some students. It's okay. Is there anyone? Okay. Okay, no issue. But even though I do some expression, some words in Sinhala also, but I will repeat that in English also. Therefore, don't get confused. Okay. Okay. Then here listen. Okay. Then here listen. The thing is this. In our previous our family custom. Okay, family custom. What did I do? I get the mass of family member and divided it by what? My mass. Let's take my mass. Mage mass measure divide. Okay. Then likewise we can do the same thing here. Okay. We can get mass of an atom, mass of an atom. We can divide it from what? We can divide it from AMU. We can divide it from AMU. AMU means atomic mass unit. We have found that AMU. Then this value is called relative. Okay, relative atomic mass. Relative atomic mass. Did you get the idea, my dear son? Not only son. No, why not? Daughters, no? Yes, tell me. Did you get the idea? Okay, I love both of them, not only brother, sons are. So always telling about sons, but don't care about daughters, not only sons. Okay, I use the word son for all these sons and daughters. Okay. Then tell me, did you get the idea? Did you get this? Relative atomic mass, yeah, relative relative to compare with someone. That is why we use relative. The mass of an atom is going to be divided from AMU value. This also, if we take this also from gram and AMU also from gram to gram, then the value will become no unit. There's no unit. Only the value is there. It can be 2.2, it can be 10, whatever, but no value is there. Why there is not any value? Because gram over gram. Here the value also gram. This is also gram to gram. We can cut the unit. We can take off the unit. Then the final answer comes without a unit. Okay, then this relative atomic mass has a value. Yes, this relative atomic mass has a unit. No. No unit. It means no gram, kilogram, ton. No. No unit. Just only the value. Just only the value. This value is like you told previously, sir, mamas, not like this, but your messages sense like that. It sounds like that. You told Dada's mass is 4 times higher than you. Dada's mass is 4 times higher than you. Then that value 4 times, that 4 times the value is 4. It means when you compare your Dada's value with your value, it is 4 times higher. Likewise, same in here. If it is 10, what does that mean by? It means the mass of an atom. If you take some, let's say 23. If we take some sodium atom, and if we take the mass of sodium atom from the AMU, the value is 23. What does that mean by? Listen carefully. If we take the mass of sodium atom and we divide it from AMU value, we take the final answer as 23. Carefully listen. Okay, carefully listen. We take the answer as 23. What does that mean by? If it is 23, what does that mean by? Is there anyone who can tell me the answer? I will sit on their mics and let them to tell us. Is there anyone? I'm also willing to hear your voice, but the thing is, I have got so many ideas, so many experiences regarding free seminars, and some of them are coming to not to study. They are always trying to doing some annoying stuff. That's why. But let me hurry up. Is there anyone who can tell me what does this 23 mean by? Ashali, can you do? Nishavan, Sohani, what about you? Meaning? Is there anyone? No? Oh my goodness. Whatever. Can anyone tell me? Okay. There's a best student in the class. I can see that. Krishant, very good. Okay. Now I'm going to let him to tell you. Okay. Okay. Very good, Rashini. I'm very happy about you. Okay. That's good. Rashini is Shehanya. What is the school to? Rashini. Okay. I'm very happy. This means this mass of sodium is 23 times higher. 23 times higher than AMU. Okay. Than AMU. It is 23 times higher. Not than the mass of carbon, Kashini. Okay. Got that idea? Get the idea? Not the mass of carbon. Actually, we can say the mass of sodium. The mass of sodium atom is 23 times higher. 23 times higher than the AMU value. Did you get? Raise your hand if you got the idea. Hurry up, guys. Where are you? Wake up. Okay, good. Metsara Setini, Chelini, Vishmita, Sasid, Shamas, and Pratibha also they are here. What about Shakia, Tanisha, and Nishada, and Himesh? Hope you all are not doing anything else. Okay? Try to concentrate the lesson. Okay? Okay. Then That is called relative mass unit, relative atomic mass. Sorry, relative atomic mass. Then we can find the first 20 elements of the periodic table, and we can get the relative atomic mass. That's very easy. Okay. Okay. Then let's come to the point. Okay. Okay, here listen. You can find the relative atomic mass. How? Mass of atom of the element divided by 1/12 and multiplied by mass of 12 carbon atom. Are you confused with that? Confused? And confused the another? Confused natham? Okay. Is there anyone confused with this part? No. Why is that? Then, is there anyone? Yes, I can see. Is there anyone? Yasu and Moksha. Okay. I will give you the key. Okay, to get rid of this confuse. Okay, this is how. Can you remember? This is the value we call AMU. Did you get the idea? Yasu, did you get the idea? Another student who is his hand. Atomic mass unit is called this. These two things are same value. Same value. Atomic mass unit value. Then I told you now, relative atomic mass is equal to, okay, equal to what? Mass of atom divided by relative atomic mass unit. Then you can find the relative atomic mass when you know the mass of atom and when you know the AMU. But in every question, okay, every question you get the AMU as a standard value. This is the value 1.67 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 24. That is standard value. This will not change. This will not change, my dear sons, daughters. Also, okay, that will not be changed. It is definitely constant value. Okay. Then there is a question. Can you read that? There's a question. Read the question carefully. Read the question carefully. Don't confuse with this, okay? Because same thing. AMU and these are same thing. If you are confused with this, for the moment, let's forget this. Okay? You can use this equation. Okay? Can anyone find the answer and send me the answer? Can anyone find and send me the answer for this question? Example 1. Considering the mass of the calcium atom is 6.68 multiplied by 10 minus 23. Find the relative atomic mass of element calcium. Atomic mass unit is 167. Okay. How we are going to find this value? I will help you as this is your first question. Okay. This is not a lecture. It's not a normal class. Okay. Then you have to work with me. You have to study hard with me. Otherwise, you will not be able to get a good knowledge. Okay. Okay. We have to solve these questions. Not enough looking at this session. Okay. Relative atomic mass. How we can find mass of atom of the element? I will get the answer on the screen, okay, for this. 6.68 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 3 gram, okay, and divide by what is the AMU value? It is given. It is given. What is that? 1.67 multiplied by minus 24. Okay. Here, listen. I will give you. Okay. Okay. Listen carefully. I will give you small tips. Actually, this is not a science tip. It's a mathematic tips. Okay. Mathematic tips. Raise your hand if you don't know how to solve these 10 to the power questions. If you don't know, raise your hand. It's okay. Pute, when you go to a doctor, you never say, doctor, I'm not here to get some medicine. I'm not ill. I'm a very healthy person. I'm a very healthy person. You never told them. You have never told them, no, because why? When you were there, definitely you should have some issue. That's why you were there. Then likewise, when you come to the class, never, okay, never think like that. Okay, I should not tell this to sir. Okay, then otherwise sir will think that I am an idiot. Not like that. Okay, if you have the doubt with you, but you are not going to ask it from me, then you are an idiot. Really, you are an idiot. If you are not going to ask it from me, but still you have the doubt, then extremely you are big one, big idiot. Okay, not to become an idiot. Okay, I don't like to use that word, but the thing is actually, if you are having the doubt, but you are not asking, that you will really become like that. Never do that. Ask it from me. Okay, there's a few students having some problem with solving this 10 to the power questions. I got some answer from Vishmita also. Let's see, Vishmita. Give me 1 minute, Puta. Okay, let's come to the answer. Okay, then okay, the mass of the atom is 6.68 and 1.67. Hi there. Okay, look at the screen. Look at the whiteboard. If you're having trouble with solving this kind of questions, but in my class, my theory and paper class, I am giving some knowledge about simplification also. Actually, those are not from science; those are from maths. But however, I will simplify science questions in a simple way, not simple questions. Actually, standard hard questions in a simple way. Okay, that's why that's the main importance of our class. Okay, listen, I will show you how you can divide these values. Okay, I think it will be very comfortable for you. If you already know, please give us 1 second. So 1 minute. Okay, I will explain others how to do this simplification. Okay, look at the board, Puta. Not only Puta. Okay, but also do I. Okay. Here is if you are going to solve this, okay, it's better if you can take these two values in the same value, to convert these two things in the same value. Here it's minus 22, no? This minus 24. What you can do? You can convert this value into minus 24. How you can do? You can simply write 6.68. You can multiply this from this value from 10, and you can divide this value from 10. Do you clear the screen? Yes, no matter, no? Yes, I think. Okay. Okay, look at the screen. Actually, Puta, this is not science, huh? This is math. But however, I will explain you as this is your first question. Okay. If you need to convert this 23 into 24, what do you have to do? 24 is smaller than 23. Yes, it's very smaller. Not smaller, so it is 24, no. But in minus value, it's smaller. Then you can multiply this 6.68 from 10 and you can divide this 10 to the power minus 23 from 10. Okay, then once you multiply, once you divide, none of the value, overall the value will not be changed. Then you can write this value like this: 66.8 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 24. Is it correct? And this value will not be changed. It is same 6.1.67 minus 23. Got the idea? Did you get the idea? This is not a science part, but how I will teach you. You are my first thought in this today also. Okay, then I will go and teach you that this is 66.8 and this should be 1.67. Then you can see 24. තේරුණාද වෙච්ච දේ මේක 10න් ගුණ කරා multiply කරා මේක 10න් බෙදුවා divide කරා. Then the overall value will not be changed. හරිද? multiply කරලා එක වගේ තියෙන ආපහු divide කරාම change වෙන්නේ නැහැනේ value එක. ඒ තියෙන form එක විතරයි වෙනස් වෙන්නේ. Okay? The form has changed. What is then here also 24, here also 24. You can cut this 24 to 24. Then what will happen? It will remove. Then what is the answer? Then 66.8 divided from 1.67. Then මොකද වෙන්නේ? මේක ලියා ගන්න තැනක okay write down it. Then find the answer 66.8 divided by, if you can find the answer like this, 6,680 from 167. Then I think the answer will this. What is the answer? What's the answer? What's the answer? When we divide 6,680 from 167, the answer will become what? Can you see this here? Okay, I will write here. The answer is 40. Is there any value? So is there any unit? Value is there. Is there any unit? 40 gram, 40 kilogram, 40 per gram. Is there any value? Is there any value? Is there any value? No. Very good. Very good. Very good. I got the answers from you. And is there no? Yes, there's not any value. Why is that? Gram to gram. You're right. Cut it off. Okay. Then the answer becomes what? The answer becomes 40. Not naughty. Yeah. It is 40. Okay. That is 40. Okay. Then this is called what? AMU. Of what? Of this element. What is this? What is that element? I think element has given that should be calcium. Yes, calcium. Then the answer is what? Final answer is 40. That is called what? Relative atomic mass. That is called 40. Okay. No value. 40. Okay. Write down quickly. Write down this. Once you finish, raise your hand. If you have written this on your tube, then raise your hand. So mama හැදුවේ ඔහොම නෙවෙයිනේ. ඔහොම නෙවෙයි 10ට 40 උඩට ආවා. මට ආවේ ඔහොම නෙවෙයි. Some students say that there are another methods also can do. For example, you can take this minus 24 to the here, but nothing will change. Answer will be same. Okay. If you come, then you are not going to divide. You are going to multiply. Then you can come. You can take this 10 to the power minus 24. If you can take this form to the up, then what will it become? What it will be become? It will become plus 24. Okay? It will become plus 24. Then nothing will be changed. But finally, you should get the answer 40. It's okay. Who is this? Who is this? It's come Vishmita. No, I think the method is not a much thing. Here some of them are asking whether they can get the recording, but I am not recording to give you the recording. Hence, I am not confirm whether I will be able to give you the recording. So don't hope the recording. Okay, but if I will be able to give, I will give and I will upload my YouTube. If you are on the YouTube and if you are using YouTube, you can go and find Krishan Veduvage, and you can download. So sorry, you can subscribe. Now there are a lot of things to do. No, bell, click the bell button. No? You can watch the videos. There are some videos from the students and some seminars also there. But how you can see that. But let's see if I will be able to do that. I will definitely upload, but I'm not sure. I cannot confirm. It's better if you can wait, not to go. Okay, I'm not very sure, but most probably I will not do post. I will not post. Okay. After post recording okay, now it's only few minutes from okay, then what can you do? You all agree with me? Is there any problem? You need to have some clarification? No. Vishmita, okay. Okay, let's come to second one. Hurry up. Do it yourself. Do the second one. Do it yourself. Once you got the answer, send me. All of you, I will give you 2 minutes. Put the equation, write the equation. Okay. Get the answer. Once you got the answer, please send me. Hurry up. Jayatri Satmini, can you send me the answer, Buddha? Do Kasidu also. If you have got the answer, please send me it. Then I can correct it. Okay. Sohani, good. Your answer is correct. Vishmita also correct, but try to. There's a small problem with decimal points, Vishmita. Actually, you will not get any decimal values. I mean, -1, 0.1, 0.2, like that. Okay. Sydney, yes, you are correct. Good, Sydney. What others? Those who have completed 2, let's go to the third one. Okay. Second, you are third degree. But what? First of all, you have to send me the answer. Limesh, good, very good. You got the answer. Okay. Go to the next question, number 3. Very good. Mom make a කොහොමද පුතේ මේ පාඩම හොඳටම ඔයාලට කියලා දෙනවා. හොඳට බය වෙන්න එපා. හරිද? ඔවා මේවා පුතේ it's very easy things. Okay. I'm conducting online classes for more than 6 years. It's about 7 years. More than 7 years. Then this is not very strange or new thing for me. Okay. I have sent so many students, more than, I can't count, but more than a lot of students I have sent to the O-level, and they have, majority of them have got the A marks. Then I'm sure I can make you perfect. Okay, then you can get A results A. You can nothing to worry. Okay, then if you are willing to join with us, I'm very sure, I'm pretty sure, then I'm sure, 100% sure, you can get the results what you expect. Sometimes more than you expect. Sometimes more than you expect. You can go to YouTube and find Krishan Veduge, search Krishan Veduge. There are some students' ideas also. If you need to get some idea about past students who have already written all exam, there are some students with their names and schools also. Okay. Go and find Krishan Veduge, then you can get some idea. But I'm not maintaining YouTube channel, so there might not be some more 1K, 2K subscribers. But however, because I'm not motivating my student to, I'm not encourage them to subscribe. That's why that's the thing I can happen. But however, there might be subscribers also. Then I'm not putting videos daily or something like that. Randomly, I do that. Okay. Then if you can get some idea about our class and myself. Okay. Okay, I got the answers from Jaya 3 also, and a small problem with some students. Shama's okay, but Yasiru, check it again. Malibu good. Yasiru, please check it, Puta. A small problem. Okay. Shall I tell you the answer? It should be 16.0 or 16, not 160. It should be 60. Vishmita got the third question answer also. Okay, let's see. This is the answer, 16. There's no unit. Then find the third one. It's very little strange, huh? It's very strange. Try to do it. Find the third question answers. Find the answer of third question. It's very strange. Sir, may ask let's see. It's moving. Okay. Vishmita, 1 second, Puta. Okay. How you are going to find this? Same way. It's very easy. No, same way. Relative atomic mass. And atomic mass is there. My handwriting is not clear much, but I have given this equation already, no? Okay. Then AMU, that's why I'm not going to write down clear. Then relative atomic mass is given. Oh, it's given. Okay, listen. You have to cut this gram, G letter. Huh? You have to erase this because you have to erase this G. It should be 20, not gram. Huh? 20, not gram. Find the mass of an atom of element neon. Okay, let's come to the simplification carefully. Listen, it is 20 and atomic mass. What is atomic mass? Atomic mass you don't know. Let's take M. See, you can take XYZ also, but I take M. And AMU is 1.67 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 24 gram. Then what you have to do? Small thing, not small thing. If you need to get the value of M, you have to take this value to this side. Then what it will be? M equal 20 multiplied by 1.67 10 to the power 24. What is the answer? Yes, take the answer. It should be, you can write the answer, final answer like this. It's better if you can write the answer like this. M is equal 3.34 multiplied by 10 to the power 23, and it should be gram. This is the answer, Pute. This is the answer. Okay, this is the answer. This is the answer. Raise your hand if you got the answer. Is there anyone? At least top 5. Okay, good to see you. Nice to see you. Gayatri and Malibu. And I think some other 2 students also got the idea, but there's small issue with their values. They have come so close. Okay. Which some student is asking, Vishnu is asking, sir, 33.4 yes, it's 33.4 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 24. But in mathematics, I think most probably you know, when you are having 10 to the power values, you don't keep but 2 numbers in front of the decimal value. I think you got that. ඒක දන්නව නේද? අපි සාමාන්‍යයෙන් අපේ සිරිතක් තමයි 33.4 එක අපි 10 to the power එකක් ලියන්නේ නැහැ. Not wrong. Wrong නැහැ. නමුත් අපි සාමාන්‍යයෙන් ලියන්නේ මෙහෙම. හරිද? මෙහෙම තමයි ලියන්නේ. මේක -24 නේ. අපි ලියන්නේ සාමාන්‍යයෙන් -23 කරලා ලියනවා. Okay? මේක තමයි අපේ standard way එක. This is the standard way. This is not wrong but not completely correct. Not the complete manner. Oh, these are the 2. This should be the answer and others are wrong. 3.34 minus 10 to the power minus 24 are completely wrong. Completely wrong. Correct, but not good much. These are the 2 answers. But this 3.34 is the best answer. Any problem? No problem. No. How you get problems if you are in the class like this? No, you will never get any problem. Okay. I will invite you all to come to join with our classes, and next week also you can gather other your friends also. You can gather other your friends. There might be some other friends now who couldn't participate today. Okay, they can come to our next day session also. Right? Next day we are going to complete the tutor, and that's why I got here. Listen, මට දවස් දෙකක් ගන්න ඕනේ නෑ. එක දවසේ මොන හරි ටිකක් කරලා ඉවර කරන්න තිබුණා. සෙමින් එක ඉවරයි. Okay, if I get only one day, okay, one day session, and this is a free session now, why should I take 2 days free? Why should I take? I can do one day and do some small questions. Okay, listen, today is over. That's not my type. Okay, that's not my style. I'm not going to do that kind of thing. Okay, I have done, then that is up to you. Not like that. However, I'm going to make you perfect. Okay, then that's why I got 2 days. Otherwise, I had to get 1 day. No, no. Today you don't have any paper classes. Next month onwards, you can join for the paper classes also. Theory, I think theory class is from. I have include the post to the Qt also. Actually, this is the post I will share you. This is the post. Okay, I think you have this post now. This is your actual class timetable. If you are willing to come, if you are willing to join with us, but unfortunately, in this year we are not conducting grade 11 theory class. Okay, because I took these students from grade 9 to 11. If I got some student from grade 11, then I miss some. They might miss some grade 10 students because I have not taught them grade 11. Even though I am teaching single medium classes in more than 7 years, but I have not sent English medium student more matches. That's why because in our science institute we have not maintained whole classes for English medium students. Okay, that's why we are not conducting grade 11 classes in this year. But next year, when these grade 10 students come to grade 11, we are conducting them because we have completed them. We have completed them grade 10 syllabus now. That's right. I think you got the thing. Okay, then these are titles, but grade 10, 11 paper class, all of you can come from 8 to 9:30, and paper will be given before the class. Then once you have to come to the paper class after you answers all the questions, what you can do, then I will show you how the answers can be taken. Okay, I will give you some introduction. Not only 1 for 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, not only the answers, not only the answers. I will explain you, I will teach you how the answers can be taken, what are the other methods, okay, what are the easy methods. Okay, sometimes you got the answer, but that is not the easier method. Okay? I will show you this is the easier method. Okay, those every type of questions we are going to discuss. Okay, then join with that. Okay, especially if you are not in the WhatsApp group, you will miss our connection. Okay, then you will not get any updates. Then you have to, first of all, you have to send WhatsApp message, okay, to our WhatsApp number. Then you can keep in touch with us. No, 2145279. Okay, this is our signed office number, but most probably I might be able to answer. Then if you have any questions regarding the science class, regarding the science institute, you can go and find. Our institute is Scienco Higher Education Institute, situated in where? Colombo 8, Boyalla. Hi there. Then if you are, we are connected to the institute, not only just one science teachers class. Okay, we have our own staff for every subject, and English medium also, not only English medium, single medium also, 1 to A level. We have staff, and this is our number. And if you need more details, you can go and find www.scienco.lk. Scienco is CIENCO for science. Finally, you add E, no, this is O, Scienco. Okay, okay, let's come to the point. If you have any question, you can ask. Okay, you can send what you got, and I'm very happy if you can send me some. Not now. At the end of this session, you can send me some your idea about the session. Okay, that would be very. I would be very grateful. Okay. Then once you get the elements atom mass of these elements atom, if you divide this value from AMU, okay, like that, we took this 16, this 14, okay, then these are the all values. These are the values we can take. This is constant. This will not be changed. Make a Venus in a hand. These are constant values. Okay. From 1 to 10. Should we keep, sir? Should we keep this in our mind? Should we keep this in our mind? Okay. Actually, you shouldn't practice. You shouldn't by heart. But the thing, when you are solving a lot of questions, most probably this will come to your mind and keep in your mind as well as other things. Okay, as well as periodic table, these things will come to your mind and you will practice without any effort. Then no need to worry about these things, but you don't want to practice by force. Okay, we are going to practice, we are going to by heart. No need to do that. Okay, no need to do that. Then let's come to the okay, Vishmita, I told you, no need to study, and these values will be given in all exams also. Okay. Okay, then here we come to the relative molecular mass. Here listen, I think today before we come to the relative molecular mass, okay, relative molecular mass, I will give you some. Then now time is 4:25, around 4:25. Okay, listen. Then we have completed. We have done half of the tube. Okay. Then listen. If you can please go through these things. Okay. Do this question again and again. Okay. Practice. Then once you come to this relative molecular mass, okay, then I am going to conduct other things in our next week. Is it okay? Is it okay? Or it's better I can do today some more things also. The thing is, I'm not sure if you are very familiar with these matters, but the thing is, it will be very boring. It's not, I can continue. What do you think? Yeah, next week I have a class right now. Oh, here listen. But always keep in your the paper class will be conducted at 8 to 9:30 at Sunday night. Then you can come to all of you can come to the paper class, and theory class is there. Then if anyone cannot come to the next day session, please put some message. If I will be able to get some recordings, then I can put into the I will let you No, I will let them know whether they can. But I'm not sure. Okay, it's better if you can participate the seminar with your other friends. Okay, that's how it's going to be. Okay, anything? Okay, remind the things you have studied. Okay, if you have any question, you can ask. I will let you know. If any question to ask, raise your hand. I will let you switch on your mic. Then you can ask. If anyone has any question to ask. What do you think? For the things we have studied today, regarding the things we have studied today. If you have any question, you can ask. If you need to use your mic, then switch on. Raise your hand. I will let you switch on your mic. Okay. Is there anyone? Is there anyone who is having some questions regarding the we discuss about atomic mass. Okay. We discuss about molecular mass. Okay. We discuss about relative atomic mass. Okay. As well as very simple relative molecular mass. What do we do? What do we do? We divide to find relative atomic mass. What did we do? We divide atomic mass. Okay, atomic mass from what? From AMU. Now what we have to do? It's very easy. If you are going to find not atomic, you are going to find molecular mass. Then what you are going to do? If you cut atomic and replace molecular instead of atomic, do the same thing here. Here we take not a value of atom, we take a value of what? Molecular. Got it? Relative atomic mass relative molecular mass same way, same manner. How? When we are going to find relative atomic mass, we divide molecular mass from AMU, atomic mass unit. To find relative molecular mass, molecular when atoms, two or more atoms combine together, we call them molecule. Okay, we call them a molecule. Then to find relative molecular mass, we use molecular mass and divide it from AMU, same as previous one. Got it? Any problem? Any problem? Okay, listen. I will give me one. I will raise your hand if there is anyone not in our WhatsApp group. Is there anyone who is not in our WhatsApp group? Raise your hand. No, everyone is there, no? Okay. Then listen, in this case also, we know that, write down molecule. Molecules are made by the combination of several atoms. Complete this. Okay, let's hurry up, complete this. Several atoms. Therefore, you can use two methods to find relative molecular mass. First one is what? It is the same way we use previous question. Okay, what do? We take the carbon dioxide molecule mass. What is that? 7.31 10 to the power minus 23 gram divided by, okay, here the carbon atom value is given. Then what we can do? We can use 1.67. We know the value now. Then no need to use this. If you need to use this, what you have to do? You have to carbon atoms value and divide it from 12. I may 12 divide करने हितान I will explain you next day. Okay, think. Okay, you know now when you are going to find AMU is equal carbon atom mass divided by 12. That's why we divided by 12, and this value is equal what? 1.67. The same value we took as minus 24. Hi, we will discuss these things in next week. Okay, if you can try this next week before come to the class, you can try this. Okay, then I will teach you how we can get those things. Okay, then I will you all of yours. Okay, and all the comments you have in your mind. Okay, what you have gained today? Did you get something? Oh, it's a boring, it's not. No, don't say okay sir, good sir, well sir, fine sir, not like that. Okay, just use some more words. Okay, get you some idea. Okay, some suggestions. Okay, what you need to improve, what you see in our seminars. Should we do again? Okay, did you get my style? Okay, did you get what I taught you? Okay, do I conduct the classes, okay, in the manner you can understand? Okay, then those consider those person, send your own ideas about send your own ideas to the WhatsApp group. Okay, not here, send WhatsApp group. I hope you all's idea, and I think you all are in WhatsApp group. Then I'm not going to send you the WhatsApp group link. Then once I finish the lesson, go to the WhatsApp group and send your own ideas. Sir, today's session is this, and I got this knowledge, and this all your own idea. Nothing to no need to think about others. What will others think? Okay, no, just send you express your own idea. Okay, then I'm pretty sure, I'm very happy, I'm very proud to have students, many of the students. Okay, I think you all got the things I have, what I'm going to teach you. You all got the thing. Okay, what I tried to do. Then that's okay. Then see you all in next week, and take care. Okay, try to join with our class. Okay, try to join with our class next week. Next week onwards, our theory class, and there is no admission fee for English medium students who are going to join with us. Then you can join freely. And remember this thing. Okay, we will conduct your class until the oral exam. Okay, as online. Okay, if you are in all over the world, okay, nothing, not a big issue. You can join to the class. Okay, no need to think about. You can come to the class as a online session. Okay, you can join the class because we conduct our class in online method. Okay, then see you next Sunday. Okay, hope you studied that very well. Then do the questions and repeat them, then come to next week. Okay, with not only you, with your other friends also. Okay, gather them. Okay, then okay, good evening. Okay, then see you next day. Ayuwa.